Hello friends, hope you are doing good. So today I am going to demonstrate how we can do SEO over YouTube video. It's a very important topic and it's just a few basic things we need to consider. Then we can increase our SEO score. Let's say I have a uploaded video, and here on the left side you can see SEO score. I am using video analytics tool. Uh, so with the help of this, it's showing me the SEO score. So how I can increase SEO score? So there are few things which I need to consider, that I don't have a tags name here. I have an end screen or like that. So let's I may have some not good description as well. So let increase SEO. For this video my target is to make SEO at least 70%. So how we can do this? So let's get edit into the edit video. First I need to go in edit video, and then I need to check. Okay, so I need to use hashtag here, which is uh, so SSIS is my hashtag, and REST API could be another hashtag. Okay, and Zapisis, and I don't need to tell that I am going to make this in English or whatever the language. So in this video I am going to some more descriptive. Quick tutorial how to call REST API. Let's give in another time. REST API should be in a small REST API. Yes, using SSIS. Actually SEO is continuous process, so you just need to go through every time and then increase your keyword searching facility. Okay, like postman. Okay, right, and my thumbnail is missing, so let me add a thumbnail for you. Let me add thumbnail SSIS. Okay, this is my thumbnail, and I need to add tags. There is no tag unfortunately here, so I am going to use this tag. Okay, you have to limit 500 words, within a 500 words. So if you don't understand any tag, so you can just delete it and write new tags as well. So I am going to actually correct this as well. SSIS, how to call REST API. So we can use pipe sign as well to distinguish here. Zapisis demo. Okay, then we are coming back to our tag session. So I copy SSIS tutorial how to execute SP, which is this is not a case. We need to use in fact API. API is a keyword. Then we can use REST API. REST API, and one more thing I would like to add, Zapisis. Okay, Zapisis. So let it save it. And one more thing is video is English. It's good practice if you do here rather than writing in a description. Where is English? Okay, here is English, and then categories education is not a people, and type of education is how to. Problem, we can also paste here this thing, simply this thing, copy paste here. Let's say in maybe Pakistan system or whatever system you want, it doesn't matter, but let's say my audience is US, so it's a intermediate level thing, because calling a REST API is not an easy task. So here is some option, cannot save until error are resolved. So there are few errors. Let me check what are these errors. We have okay, we have okay, okay, problems. What type problem? How to solve problem? Okay, let it be released, left left blank, and then save it. So let's try to check is SEO. So let me reload the SEO part. Only 20% still, so we don't have anything. Let me review it again. So after correcting my title SSIS how to call REST API, and I just review the remaining things, which is I left blank, because you saw that my SEO initial score is 20, and when I did add tags is still 20, but my title is something messy, so I just corrected SSIS how to call the REST API. Now I will execute or run this video, and let's see what will be the SEO score. My target is 70%. Let's say it's 70% or not, so it's 80%, so this is how we can improve our SEO scoring. So it's a continuous process. You need to learn new keywords, what type of searches a YouTuber is you in on YouTube is doing, so you need to follow these type of things. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do apply SEO in each of your YouTube videos. Thank you, take care.